This new cloud service for DeepSeek-R1 runs on Huawei's own chip architecture.
It's significantly cheaper than existing options.
And the big question, is this a threat to NVIDIA in China? Welcome to Technomic China Insider. Here we cover the latest in China's tech, business, and innovation. Subscribe for fresh insights and analysis on how China is shaping the future of the global economy.
On February 1st, Huawei Cloud announced that after days of intensive collaboration between SiliconFlow and the Huawei Cloud team, they have jointly launched the first inference service for DeepSeek-R1 and V3, based on Huawei Cloud's Ascend AI cloud service.
That's right. And according to SiliconFlow, they've received strong support from both DeepSeek and Huawei Cloud, whether it was adapting the DeepSeek-R1 and V3 models for the Ascend platform or deploying other models in the past.
Now, the two models launched on SiliconFlow Cloud come with 5 key features.
First, it's the first of its kind inference service, the DeepSeek X SiliconFlow X Huawei Cloud R1 and V3 inference service is now available running on Huawei Cloud's Ascend AI cloud infrastructure.
Second, high-performance AI inference, thanks to joint innovations and a proprietary inference acceleration engine, the DeepSeek models deployed on Huawei Cloud Ascend achieve performance on par with models running on top-tier global GPUs.
Third, a stable, production-grade service, DeepSeek R1 and V3 are designed for large-scale production environments, ensuring stable operation and supporting commercial deployment. Huawei Cloud's Ascend service provides strong, flexible, and scalable computing resources.
Fourth, zero deployment barriers. Developers can focus on application development without worrying about infrastructure setup. With SiliconFlow Cloud API, applications can seamlessly integrate, making the process smoother and more user-friendly.
And finally, competitive pricing that aligns with DeepSeek's official promotional rates. The promotional prices, valid until February 8th, 2024, are DeepSeek V3, Y equals 1 per million input tokens, and Y equals 2 per million output tokens. DeepSeek R1, Y equals 4 per million input tokens, and Y equals 16 per million output tokens.
Now here's the real question. How does DeepSeek R1 compare to OpenAI O1 in terms of cost?
In terms of performance, DeepSeek R1 has shown results comparable to OpenAI O1 in math, coding, and reasoning tasks. But when it comes to pricing, there's a huge difference.
OpenAI charges $15 per million input tokens and $60 per million output tokens.
Meanwhile, DeepSeek R1 running on Huawei Ascend chips via SiliconFlow costs just $0, 56 cents per million input tokens and $2.24 per million output tokens.
That's 27 times cheaper for input tokens and 26 times cheaper for output tokens compared to OpenAI O1.
With such a massive price gap, could this challenge NVIDIA in China?
The impact isn't immediate, but this is a major signal of change in China's AI computing industry.
What do you think? Is NVIDIA in China facing a real threat? Can Huawei replicate NVIDIA's ecosystem?
That's the question everyone in the AI world is watching.